Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to the Bangash Voices. Since this is one of the few initial videos ever shared here, let's talk a little bit about its name, main focus, content and what the Bangash Voices intends to do in future. As most of us may already know, the Bangash tribe is one of the Pathan tribes whose roots can be traced back to the centuries-old civilizations.
زبان میں بون کتاش سے ماخوذ ہے جس کا مطلب ہے جڑوں کو تباہ کرنے والا، جس کا مطلب یہ ہے کہ لڑائیوں کے دوران بنگش اس وقت تک آرام نہیں کریں گے جب تک کہ وہ دشمن کو ختم نہ کر دیں۔
Like many Pathan nations living in the northwest of Pakistan, the Bangash women and men have the reputation of being staunch Muslims. Still, they are also among the top Pakistani communities that have always held to moderation and enlightenment instead of weapons, even during the darkest era of religious extremism. The Bangash people describe themselves as inborn warriors, the moral and principled ones, with poetic temperament and delicate hearts, who love to be known for their famous traditional khatak dance. Rahman Baba's poetry and political philosophers like Bacha Khan. The Bangash Voices, abbreviated as The Bang, will be managed by prominent Bangash women and men from all walks of life for now. But needless to say, it is a forum of Pakistanis all over the world, whether Punjabi, Baloch, Pathan, or non-Pathan, Urdu and Saraiki speaking communities. Every single Pakistani who, despite having simple backgrounds, are doing remarkable work in various fields and filling this world with countless beautiful faces and beautiful hearts. The Bank intends to publish an analysis of current political situations in Pakistan vis-a-vis the world news and publish reports about global issues such as foreign immigration. Anyone from all our friends can be a part of The Bank. Please send us your short videos and content-based news with evidence, opinions, concerns, sorrows, and even happy jokes. You would also find AI-generated videos of Pakistani politics, Urdu satire, and global news. The language of The Bank is Urdu and English only. However, if sent along with Urdu or English translations or subtitles, the channel will be happy to publish the content in Pashto. So please stay tuned. For better communication, please look at the links below in the description. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.